Baykar, the renowned Turkish drone manufacturer, has established a subsidiary in Morocco to set up a maintenance center for the unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) it has supplied to the country. The new company, named Atlas Defense, was officially registered in the Moroccan Trade Registry on December 5, 2024. According to an announcement published in Morocco's official Gazette No. 5857 on January 29, 2025, the company has a capital of 2.5 million dirhams, approximately $680,000. This initiative is part of Baykar's broader strategy to expand its international presence, particularly in the African UAV market. The establishment of this service center will not only enhance the company's ability to support its regional clients but also contribute to the diplomatic and economic relations between Turkey and Morocco by creating jobs and supporting the local economy. This industrial project strengthens bilateral cooperation beyond typical government-to-government defense agreements. Morocco is already a significant client of Baykar, having ordered 13 Bayraktar TB2 drones in April 2021, valued at around $70 million. The first batch was delivered in September of that year, along with the necessary infrastructure, including 4 ground stations, a configurable simulation system, and a digital tracking system. Additionally, a drone operations center was set up at Moroccan air bases. Moroccan military personnel underwent training in Turkey to operate these drones, with the first group completing their program in September 2021. Since then, Morocco's interest in Turkish defense equipment has been growing, and the country is considering acquiring more advanced Bayraktar Akinci drones, which offer greater payload capacity and enhanced mission capabilities. The establishment of Baykar's subsidiary in Morocco is part of a broader trend of military cooperation between the two nations. Turkey has emerged as a key player in the armed drone sector, attracting international clients. Meanwhile, Morocco is seeking to strengthen its defense autonomy and modernize its armed forces. The maintenance facility for Bayraktar TB2 drones, and potentially Akinci drones in the future, will ensure the operational readiness of Morocco's fleet. Despite uncertainties about local production levels, Baykar's investment aligns with its strategy to expand into emerging markets. The company has already begun building a factory in Ukraine, which will produce up to 120 drones annually, and has set up an assembly line in Saudi Arabia. While the Moroccan facility will be relatively small, it underscores Baykar's intention to establish a long-term presence in Africa. As part of its efforts to develop a domestic defense industry, Morocco has also partnered with Israeli company Bluebird Aero Systems to build a drone factory. However, this project, initiated in April 2024, has faced delays due to ongoing conflicts in Gaza. The collaboration between Morocco, Turkey, and Israel in defense and technology reflects Morocco's broader goal of modernizing its armed forces and reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. While Baykar's new Moroccan subsidiary is not a full-scale production facility, it marks an important step towards strengthening strategic ties between Rabat and Ankara, as well as enhancing Turkey's industrial presence in Africa.